am I the only one that didn't know these quick fixes for slow charging? Let's dive in. First up, clean that charging port. Use a soft, dry brush to remove any dirt or debris. It might be blocking the connection. Next, check your charger and cable. Always use the original charging adapter and cable that came with your phone. Third-party accessories might not provide the necessary power. Another tip? Remove your phone case while charging. Cases can mess with heat dissipation, slowing down your charge. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. It can resolve minor software glitches affecting charging performance. Don't forget to update your software. Check for any available updates. They might include optimizations for charging efficiency. Check your battery settings too. Excessive battery optimization can hinder fast charging. Still having issues? Check your battery health. If it's degraded, consider getting it replaced. And if all else fails, contact Xiaomi support for further assistance. There you have it. Easy tips to get your Redmi Note 14 Pro charging faster.